June 18, 1972. Three Rivers Stadium. The Pirates in white, the Padres in mustard gold from head to toe. But the man in the box? Roberto Clemente. 37, aching back, stiff neck. But the hands are still quicksilver. The pitcher, Steve Arlin, is throwing the game of his life. A 2-hit shutout against the world champs. Yet, look at Clemente. Even when the young arm wins, the great one stands like a statue. Dignity in the face of time. 6 months later, he would be gone. But on this Sunday, he is simply present.